Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Wan Aminur Rashdan Dewa Abdul Bashir from class RBA 2733B. So, today I will be presenting a current issue in human resource management, which is a performance management in a rapidly changing world and its implication for talent management. In today's modern workplace, organizations are experiencing continuous and rapid change. These changes are driven by factors such as digital transformations, globalization, and also the increasing adoption of remote and hybrid working environments. Because of this, managing employee performance has become more complex compared to the past. Traditional performance management system may no longer be effective in handling these changes. So, in this presentation, I will be first discuss the article, followed by the reason why this issue is important, then the main cause, and finally the possible solution that organizations can implement. So, this is our table of content. First, we're gonna talk about the article summary. Second is the issue of background. 3. Why I choose this issue. 4. Causes of the issue. 5. Suggestion to solve the issue. And last but not least is the conclusion. Based on the journal that I selected, performance management is becoming more challenging due to the rapidly changing work environment. The article actually explained that traditional performance management systems are no longer sufficient. In the past, organizations mainly relied on annual performance reviews to evaluate employees. However, this method is considered outdated because it does not reflect real-time performance. The journal also highlights that the rise of remote and hybrid work has significantly changed how organizations manage employees. Managers are no longer able to directly observe employees, which makes it more difficult to assess performance accurately. In addition, the article emphasized the importance of continuously feedback. Instead of evaluating employees once a year, organizations are encouraging to provide regular and ongoing feedback so that employees can improve continuously. Another important point discussed in the journal is the role of technology, digital tools, and performance management systems that can help organizations to track employee performance more efficiently, especially in remote working environment. Overall, the journal showed that organizations need to perform their performance management system in order to support effective talent management in a rapidly changing world. I choose this issue because it is very relevant in today's workplace environment. From my understanding, many organizations are still struggling to adapt their performance management system to modern working conditions, especially after the shift to remote and hybrid work. For example, during and after the COVID-19 pandemic, many employees started working from home. However, not all organizations were prepared to manage performance in this new environment. In addition, this issue is important because it is closely related to employee motivation and retention. If employees feel that their performance is not evaluated fairly, they may feel demotivated and less engaged. So, I believe that this issue is not only relevant but also critical for organizations that wants to remain competitive and retain their talent. This issue is important because performance management has a direct impact on both employees and the organizations. Firstly, it affects employees' motivation and engagement. When employees receive a clear expectations and regular feedback, they are more likely to feel motivated and perform better. However, If performance management is unclear or inconsistent, employees may feel confused about their roles and responsibilities. Second, performance management is important for organizational productivity. Organizations need to identify high performance employees and also support those who need improvements. Without an effective system, it becomes difficult for organizations to make accurate decisions regarding promotions, rewards, and also a training. Furthermore, in a rapidly changing environment, organizations need to be flexible and responsive. This means that performance management systems must also be adaptable and able to reflect current work conditions. So, overall, this issue is important because it influences both employee performance and organizational success. Now, I will explain the main cause of this issue in more detail. The first cause is the shift to remote and hybrid work. In the past, employees mainly work in the office, which allow managers to directly observe their performance. Managers could easily monitor attendance, behavior, and work output. However, with remote work, this is no longer possible. Managers cannot always see what employees are doing, which makes it more difficult to evaluate performance accurately. For example, an employee may appear less active online, but they might actually be working efficiently. Without a proper system, managers may misjudge their performance. The second cause is outdated performance management systems. Many organizations still rely on traditional annual performance appraisals. This approach is not suitable in today's fast-changing environment because it does not reflect real-time performance. Employee performance can change over time due to the different factors such as a workload, stress, or new responsibilities. So, if evaluation is only done once a year, it may not provide an accurate picture of the employee performance. The third cause is lack of communication and feedback. In many organizations, employees do not receive a regular feedback from their managers. As a result, they may not know whether they are performing well or what they need to improve. For example, if an employee is making mistakes but does not receive a feedback, they may continue repeating the same mistake. So, this can negatively affect both individual and organizational performance. The fourth cause is rapid technology change. Organizations are constantly adopting a new technology to stay competitive. However, not all employees and managers are able to adapt quickly. Some employees may struggle to use a new system, while organizations may not provide enough training. This creates a gap that affects performance management and makes it more difficult to evaluate employees fairly. So, overall, this cause show that performance management is becoming a more complex due to a changing in work environment systems, communications, and technology. To address this challenge, organizations can implement several solutions. First, organizations should adopt a continuous performance management instead of relying on annual reviews. Managers should provide regular feedback to employees. For example, manager can conduct a monthly or weekly check-ins to discuss performance and progress. Second, organizations can use digital tools and a system. These tools help track employee performance, set a clear goals, and provide feedback more efficiently. This is especially useful in remote working environments where physical monitoring is not possible. Third, training for manager is very important. Manager needs to develop skill in communication, coaching, and performance evaluation. This will help them to manage employees more effectively and fairly. Last but not least, organizations should focus on employee engagement. When employees feel supported and feel valued, they are more motivated to perform well. This can be achieved by recognizing employees' contribution and providing an opportunity for development. So, by implementing these solutions, organizations can improve their performance, management system, and a better support talent management. In conclusion, performance management is a critical issue in today's rapidly changing world. Organizations face many challenges such as a remote work, outdated system, lack of communication, and rapid technology change. However, these challenges can be addressed by adopting modern approaches such as continuous feedback, digital tools, and better management practice. Effective performance management is important not only for improving employee performance but also for ensuring a long-term organizational success. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching.